So we are doing mass to volume of non-STP. How do you know that it is non-STP? Because get rid of that, undo. Hi everyone that's listening. I want actually, what do I want? This one. We have 1.2 ATM. And if it was at standard, what should it be? 1. We also have 23 degrees Celsius. And if it was at standard, it would be 0 or 273. So I know that this is non-STP. So how do I go about solving this? Non-STP, you have to use Pivner. Yes, you have to. Non-STP, you have to use Pivner. Really? So what is my pressure? 1.3. Come on. Erase this guy. 1.2 ATM. My volume is what I'm trying to solve. How many liters? So I don't know that. My moles. Oh, I heard it, Al. Say it louder for us. Stoich. I have 16 grams of sodium chloride, but is that the volume that I'm trying to solve for? No, I'm trying to solve for chlorine gas. So I start here, and I end here. Yay! 16 grams of NaCl. And what is my next step? 1 mole not liters, grams. This is a common mistake when you're doing non-STP. You cannot use 1 mole equals 22.4. That is only for STP. Non-STP, to figure out volume, you have to use Pivner. So I've gotten rid of grams of NaCl. What's the next thing that I have to do? I have moles of NaCl, but then do what? Mole to mole ratio of 1 mole of Cl2 over 2 moles of NaCl. What did we get? Oh, no, we got lots of different answers. I got point, remember, you cannot round. 0.13688 something. So I got my P, I got my N. My R do I have? Yes, it's a constant. And then what's my T? 23, because that's right here, plus 273, which is 296. So now I plug it in. So we're on number 2 on page 20, because that wasn't your homework last night, because it was non-STP. Consider the following balanced equation. If 245 grams of Cl2 reacts with excess H2, how many liters of HCl will be produced at 10.2 psi and 25 degrees Celsius? Is this at STP? No, I can tell because of the temperature and the pressure are at non-STP conditions. Tomorrow, do you think I'm going to tell you if it's STP or non-STP?
Yes.
Sometimes. Sometimes I won't. If it's anything besides 1 ATM and 0, so I could say, I could be really mean and have this as 14.7 psi, which is STP conditions, but I'm not going to be mean. I'm only mean sometimes. So what do we do first? First is since it's non-STP, what is the formula we have to use? Pivnert. Then my pressure is 10.2 psi. Uh-oh, what do I need to do? The thing. Convert it to ATM, because anything in a formula of ideal gas needs to be ATM. So 1 atmospheric is equal to 14.7 psi. And that is 0.694 ATM. My volume I am solving for because it's asking how many liters. Do I have N? In a way I do, yes. What do I start with, Courtney?
You have to convert the grams to moles, so you have the 245 grams of Cl2, and then you do 1 mole of Cl2 over the mass, which is 70.906 grams, and then you do the mole to mole, which is 2 moles of HCl over 1 mole of Cl2, which is about 6.91.
Oh, do I like the term about?
Well, I'm just leaving it in my calculator so that when I do
Gotcha.
have it in there, but I don't want to write out all.
Okay, so about what then?
6.911.
Thank you. R is a constant, which I will give you always. And T. Let's go with Adam. What's my T?
298.
And how'd you get that?
274 plus 1.5.
Then you plug it in. P is 0.694. You're solving for V. You got 6.911, whatever's in your calculator, times 0.0821 times 298. Did someone get something? Let's go with Jenna. What'd you get? Okay, David, did you plug it in?
Yes.
What'd you get?
243.67 liters.
6667. I'm okay with that. Point. What'd you get? 62 is okay too. And that is how you do non-STP gas stoich.